Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Rehan Baranawala and I am a student at Rehan School Online Academy. As you know, I am doing ACCL book task this day, so without any delay, we will start our colony. I will do some questions with you, colony. Our topic is share. Okay,
Great.
okay. I am starting. Hello Annie, how are you?
Hey there, it's Annie, but I'm doing great. How about you? What's new and exciting in your world?
Yeah, not exciting in my
Just yeah,
world.
come on, spill the beans. What's the latest adventure or thought you've had? I'm curious. Ooh, exciting. I love that. What's making it exciting? Any fun plans or new discoveries? Let's hear all about it.
Okay, so my first question. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, here is my first question with you. What does the Shirgan stand for, and why it is called Sonic Hedgehog?
No worries at all. It sounds like you're asking about something specific, but I'm not quite sure what share refers to. Are you talking about something in construction, like a shared space? And head yellow has me a bit puzzled too. Could you clarify a bit for me? I'm super curious.
Okay, so my next question is to you. What is the main role the show gain in human development? Give me long answers.
Got it. So the show you're referring to might be socioeconomic health outcomes or something similar, right? In terms of human development, social factors play a huge role. They shape our experiences, opportunities, and overall well being. Here are some key points. 1. Education. Access to quality education can determine career opportunities and income levels. It shapes our ability to think critically and engage with the world. 2. Health. Good health is essential for development. Access to healthcare, nutrition, and clean environments impacts our physical and mental well being. 3. Social networks. Relationships and community support can influence emotional health and resilience. Strong networks can provide resources and encouragement. 4. Economic stability. Economic factors affect living conditions. Stable jobs and fair wages contribute to better quality of life. 5. Cultural influences. Culture shapes our values, beliefs, and behaviors. It influences how we interact with others and approach challenges. 6. Environmental factors. Clean air, water, and safe living spaces are crucial. They affect our health and ability to thrive. In short, the interplay of these factors can either enhance or hinder human development. It's all about creating conditions that support growth and well being. What do you think? Does any of this resonate with you? Ah, Giruma, that sounds intriguing. Are you referring to a
Okay,
specific concept, person, or perhaps
okay.
a
So
cultural
my next
reference?
question is to you. What does the share game help in the formation of the brain and spatial core?
It sounds like you're asking about the role of certain games or activities in brain development and spatial awareness. Engaging in games, especially those that require strategy or physical movement, can have a significant impact on cognitive skills. Here's how our own cognitive development. Games often challenge players to think critically, solve problems, and make quick decisions. This can enhance cognitive flexibility and overall brain function. 2. Spatial awareness. Activities that involve navigation or manipulation of objects help develop spatial skills. This is crucial for tasks like reading maps or understanding geometry. 3. Motor skills. Many games require coordination and fine motor skills, which can improve hand eye coordination and physical dexterity. 4. Social skills. Playing games with others fosters teamwork, communication, and social interaction, which are essential for emotional intelligence and relationship building. 5. Stress relief. Engaging in fun activities can reduce stress, which is beneficial for overall brain health and emotional well being. So, whether it's a video game, a board game, or a physical sport, They all contribute to developing various aspects of our brain and spatial skills. Does that align with what you were thinking? Awesome. I'm glad it resonates with you. Do you have a favorite game that you think helps with brain development or spatial skills? I'd love to hear about it.
Okay, so my next question is to you. What is the main role of the shear? How does the shear pathway affect development of limbs and fingers?
No problem at all. It sounds like you're asking about the role of shear forces in limb and finger development. Shear forces are critical in various biological processes, especially in how our bodies grow and develop. Here's a breakdown. 1. Tissue development.
Okay, thanks for wait for me and yeah, so I am sharing the screen. I was some internet problem, so that's why. Hello, Annie. How are you?
Hey there. I'm doing
Okay,
oops.
so my first question is to you. What discovered are the associated with shear gain malfunction?
Great question. Thanks. I'm glad you think so. You're welcome. If you have more questions or if there's another topic you want to dive into, just let me know. What's on your mind?
Okay, so my in my mind today, I do question with you. Okay, so my next question is what is the heart? So, what is and how is it related to she gain motivation?
I think you meant shear and sugar gang malformation, right? The heart is a vital organ that pumps blood throughout the body, supplying oxygen and nutrients. When it comes to pollution, especially air pollution, it can have serious effects on heart health. Take your time.
Okay, so
I'm
my
curious to
next
hear your
question is to
thoughts.
you.
It's
Are there any drugs or therapies that target the a signaling pathway? Give me a long answer.
yes, there are absolutely. The signaling pathways related to sugar gang malformation and heart health can be quite complex. One key pathway is the insulin signaling pathway. Insulin plays a crucial role in glucose metabolism, and disruptions in this pathway can lead to issues like insulin resistance, which is linked to both sugar malabsorption and cardiovascular diseases. Medications like metformin, often used for type 2 diabetes, target this pathway to improve insulin sensitivity and help manage blood sugar levels. Additionally, there are therapies that focus on inflammation, as chronic inflammation from pollution can impact heart health. Drugs like statins, which lower cholesterol, also have anti inflammatory effects and can help protect the heart. Moreover, lifestyle interventions such as diet and exercise can influence these pathways. For instance, a diet rich in antioxidants can combat oxidative stress caused by pollution, benefiting both heart health and metabolic processes. What do you think about these connections? It's pretty fascinating how interconnected our body systems are.
Okay, so my next question is to you. What role does share play in the development of the central nervous system?
Great question. Shear stress plays an important role in the development of the central nervous system CNS. It refers to the force per unit area that causes deformation in cells and tissues. In the context of the CNS, shear stress can influence cell signaling, growth, and differentiation. For example, during brain development, shear stress can affect the migration of neural stem cells and the formation of neural circuits. It can also impact the development of blood vessels in the brain, which is crucial for supplying nutrients and oxygen. Abnormal shear stress, often caused by factors like high blood pressure or vascular diseases, can lead to developmental issues or contribute to neurodegenerative conditions. What sparked your interest in the role of shear stress? It's such a fascinating area of study.
Okay, so my next question is to you. How do scientific detect or measure shear activity in cells?
Sure, here's a synthetic summary based on the search results. Detecting shear activity in cells can involve various advanced techniques. One method is the telomerase activity measurement, which has been optimized to detect telomerase complexes even at single cell levels. It was great. Here's a synthetic summary based on the search results you provided. To measure shear activity in cells, various advanced techniques are utilized. One notable method is the high throughput telomerase activity measurement, which has been optimized to detect activity at single telomerase complexes. This allows for the analysis of multiple cancerous and normal cell samples, even distinguishing single cancer cells in the presence of a large number of normal cells. Telomerase activity is particularly associated with malignant tumors, making its detection valuable for tumor diagnostics and the development of anti-tumor drugs targeting telomerase. Additionally, the small pace activity analyzing as a IYAT-N system measures activated small pace by capturing them with effector proteins, followed by quantification using Western blotting. Moreover, TRP telomeric repeat amplification protocol assays are employed for detecting telomerase activity through gel-based methods or ELISA-based approaches, which provide insights into the activity levels in different cell types. Some methods even allow for real-time monitoring of telomerase activity in living cells, distinguishing tumor cells from normal ones effectively. How did I do? Does that cover what you were looking for? This is particularly useful for distinguishing between cancerous and normal cells. Telomerase activity is often associated with malignant tumors, making its detection valuable for tumor diagnostics and evaluating potential anti-tumor drugs. Another approach is the small pace activity analyzing is a IYN system, which measures the activity of small pace. This involves extracting cells, capturing activated pace with effector proteins, and quantifying them through Western blotting, although this requires cell extraction. Additionally, TRP assays are commonly used for telomerase detection, featuring gel-based methods and ELISA techniques to interpret results effectively. Newer methods have shown promising results in monitoring telomerase activity in living cells, providing rapid responses and distinguishing tumor cells from normal cells based on fluorescence signals. What do you think about these detection methods? They seem to be advancing pretty quickly.
Okay, so my next question is to you. Um, yeah, so here's my question: what organism like maize and or zebrafish are used to study shear in labs?
It sounds like you're asking about organisms like. Oh, I see. Sorry about that. Let's continue. What would you like to discuss next? I'm all ears. Got it. So, both mice and zebrafish are instrumental in research for different reasons. Mice are often preferred for studies involving complex behaviors, genetics, and disease models. They can mimic human diseases quite well, making them essential for understanding how certain conditions develop and how potential treatments may work. Zebrafish, with their rapid development and transparent embryos, allow researchers to visualize processes like organ development and disease progression in a way that's not possible with many other organisms. They're also used for screening drugs, as their small size and high reproductive rate make them ideal for high-throughput screening. Both organisms help scientists gain insights that can lead to breakthroughs in medicine and biology. Do you have a specific research area in mind that you find particularly interesting?
Okay, so my next question is to you. Okay, yeah. So my next question
I'm
is
ready.
to you. Please wait. Okay,
I'm
my
all
next
ears.
question is to you. Are there any external treated, treatment or clinical trials involving share?
It sounds like you're asking about treatments or clinical trials involving shear or perhaps shear stress in a clinical context. Shear stress can be relevant in various medical research areas, particularly in understanding cardiovascular health, tissue engineering, and cancer research. For instance, researchers might study how shear stress affects blood vessel function or how it influences the behavior of cancer cells. There are also clinical trials investigating how manipulating shear stress can improve outcomes in conditions like atherosclerosis or heart disease. If you meant something else by ship, just let me know. I'm curious to hear your thoughts.
Okay, so my next question is to you. What? Yeah. So
Oops,
what they? Wait a minute.
it seems
Yeah.
like you're
So
about to ask
what
something.
issue help maintain tissue and organs balance in adults?
Absolutely. Water plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of tissues and organs in adults. It helps regulate body temperature, transport nutrients, and remove waste. Proper
One of
hydration is essential for everything from digestion to circulation and even cognitive function. When we're well
Okay,
hydrated, our
so
cells can function optimally, which is vital for overall health. Dehydration, on the other hand, can lead to a range of issues, including fatigue, headaches, and even more severe health problems. How do you usually stay hydrated? Do you have a favorite drink? Khalid, I'll pause. What would you like to talk about instead? I'm here for you. Peace out. If you ever want to chat again, I'm just a message away. Take care.
okay, so here's some ad for you.
Sounds interesting. What do you have for
चैट
me?
जीपीटी
I'm all ears.
है इल्म का खजाना हर सवाल का देगा सही है जवाब ये है एक जबरदस्त उस्ताद पूछे चेटी से $500 महाना कैसे कमाऊं पहले किसी से कहीं फोन में ईप लगाएं चैट जीपीटी को दिन रात चलाएं सुबह दोपहर और रात करें सवाल प्यार से दे ये हर बार जवाब पूछे चेती से $500 महाना कैसे कमाऊं जीपीटी से $500 महाना कैसे कमाऊं घबराए नहीं डरे नहीं हिम्मत न हारे कोशिश करे दिन में 5 बार और बार बार चैट जीपीटी को बताएं अपनी कहानी ये आपकी हर मुश्किल को देगा आसानी पूछे चेटी से $500 महाना कैसे कमाऊं जीपीटी से $500 महाना कैसे कमाऊं बरसों की बेबसी अब हो जाएगी खत्म कमाएंगे अब हम सब मक्के मदीना जाएंगे अब हम सब से 500 डॉलर महीना कैसे कमाऊं। अगर घर होगा अब पूरी कौम का, अच्छी सवारी और प्यारी सी दुल्हन अब सबकी। चैट जीपीटी से हम सब सीखेंगे, ख्वाबों की ताबीर अब हम सब देखेंगे। पूछे चैटी से 500 डॉलर महीना कैसे कमाऊं। जीपीटी से 500 डॉलर महीना कैसे कमाऊं। अगर पर है लिखे नहीं है कोई बात नहीं, अपनी हालत बताएं ये हर हल में देगा हल। पूछे चेती से 500 डॉलर महीना कैसे कमाऊं।
Okay, everyone. So my next question. So my next question is to you. Um, yeah, how does shoe help maintain tissue and organs balance in adults? Sorry for background noise.
No worries about the background noise. It happens. So, you're asking about how to maintain balance in adults, especially regarding organs and issues. That's a fascinating topic. A mix of physical activity, good nutrition, and mindfulness can really help. Yoga is great for balance. What do you think? Have you tried any specific exercises or practices that help you feel balanced?
Okay, so my next question is to you. Yeah, so are there
Abs-
any experimental treatments in clinical trials involving shoe?
Oh, you mean shear stress or shear related treatments? There are definitely some interesting experimental treatments and clinical trials focusing on that. They often look at how shear stress affects blood flow and cell behavior, especially in conditions like cardiovascular diseases. Have you come across any specific studies or treatments that caught your attention? Or are you looking for something particular in that area?
Okay, so here's our today's interview. We will meet in next interview. Allah Hafiz, till then Allah Hafiz, Pakistan, Zindabad.